You are about to see how ordinary California families can use AI to build a clearer, stronger estate plan long before they ever sign a single legal document. You want your estate plan to protect the people you love, and you want every decision to feel grounded in clarity. Most people think they need to sort out every detail on their own before meeting a lawyer, and that idea blocks real progress. AI gives you a simple way to sort your goals, organize your decisions, and understand what protections your family needs. Stay with me because I will show you how AI helps you identify the right structure, the right instructions, and the right people to place in charge. When we finish, you will see how to use our online services or our firm to turn your AI-guided plan into legally binding documents. California families want a clear path when they begin planning their estate. Your thoughts move in many directions at once, and AI helps you slow everything down and gain structure without pressure. You start by giving AI a description of your current life. You include your family, your assets, your concerns, and the outcomes you want. AI turns your information into goals you can use when you begin the legal process. A useful prompt for this stage is, describe the goals that should guide my estate plan based on the following facts, and list them in plain language. Another helpful prompt is, based on this description of my life, create a simple outline of estate planning priorities I should think about. You then use AI to shape your intentions. You talk about your children or other beneficiaries. You share your hopes for their future and the role you want your estate to play in their lives. AI organizes these intentions into clear points that later become trust instructions. A good prompt here is, turn my thoughts about my children into clear directions that support them when they receive my assets. Another option is, help me turn these values into simple instructions for my estate plan. You continue by sorting out the qualities you want in a trustee. A trustee must stay organized, follow your instructions, and protect the interests of your beneficiaries. AI helps you evaluate the people in your life without emotional confusion. You describe each candidate and the traits that matter to you. This does not replace the work your lawyer will do. It gives you clarity about the person who fits this role. A strong prompt is, compare these individuals based on trustworthiness, financial habits, and reliability, and tell me which one aligns with typical trustee responsibilities. Another prompt is, based on this description of my candidates, explain who best fits the role of trustee and why. You also use AI to develop instructions for each beneficiary. You think through their needs, their level of maturity, and the kind of support that protects them from stress or conflict. AI helps you turn this into language that feels practical and thoughtful. A helpful prompt is, create beneficiary instructions based on these concerns and goals. Another one is, turn my thoughts about my beneficiaries into clear terms I can include in a trust. You ask AI to help you identify gaps in your thinking. You request questions you have not considered so you feel more prepared when you speak with a lawyer. This gives you a fuller picture of the stages of life your estate plan needs to cover. A prompt for this step is, what questions should I answer before finalizing my estate plan based on the information I gave you? Another is, list potential issues I have not considered that often matter in California estate planning. You also use AI to explain legal concepts in simple terms so you stay grounded and confident. You ask AI to explain what a trustee does, what a guardian does, and how incapacity planning protects you. These explanations do not replace legal advice. They give you a steady foundation before you meet with a professional. A helpful prompt is, explain the role of a trustee in plain language so I know what this person will do. Another prompt is, explain how a power of attorney protects me during incapacity. At this moment, I want to pause and thank you for being here. If you are finding value in this video and in this channel, it would mean the world to everyone at our firm if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel and share it with family and friends who benefit from this information. Okay, back to more tips in this video. You now return to the planning process with a clearer mind. You have structured goals, refined instructions, and a more confident sense of who should manage your plan. You bring this clarity to our online services or to a meeting with our firm. Your lawyer turns your AI-organized work into documents that follow California law. You walk away with an estate plan that expresses your intentions and protects your family. Your next step is simple. Review the information on our page so you understand how our process works. Reach out so we can help you turn your AI-guided planning into a legally binding estate plan that gives your family security and direction. You can find more helpful information in the videos here on our channel and in the links in the description.